Alright, we're in Mendoza, Argentina. Our third and final city. Some snow on that back one. Wow. Okay, we're in the cab. We made it. It's a little residential area. Alright. Oh.
¿Falta alguien? ¿Falta otra persona? Bueno, este es el departamento. Arriba están las habitaciones. Sí. Si quieren son dos camas chicas, no sé si me entienden. Okay. ¿Algo? Más o menos. Bueno.
See, nice. It's a bedroom. Oh, it's 2 bedrooms. Yeah, this is the master. Nice. Oh, and a TV in the bedroom. Alright, this could be... It's a nice bathroom too.
Full bath.
Well, oh, that's a cool view down there. Yeah, this feels like way more space. Mechanical. Wow. Wow. Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
En 2 minutos, I'll be happy to answer. Let's go. Not only are vines grown here, we need diversity. If you have a look, you can find figs at the end, herbs everywhere. That is called lagar in Spanish. There's no name for that in English. But we call that a screw conveyor, for you to understand.
I think we call it an auger.
I mean, that's not crushed grapes. This is called orujo in Spanish. The technical name in English is pomas. Health benefits. Don't so it's much better.
I don't know what that is.
The coal. Well, the...
Just it's 2021 and was aged for 5 years in the winery. Because I mean, it was aged for 3 years in the tanks and the barrels, and 2 years aged in the bottle. It smells smoky.
So those are olive trees.
Don't worry, we'll be back here later. That's not a lot. 15 we used with the olive trees, the rest with the vineyards, and we were 200 years ago.
Wow.
Olive trees can keep producing fruit for up to 400 years after being planted, and they can live for well over 2,000 years. We like to sex for a blunt wine. When they moved Malbec here, it found its place in the world, adapted really well to Mendoza. The grapes, it built that house with the orange roof you can see over there. It did the excavation for the cellar of this winery. It built 3 more houses in Mendoza city. And it's going to move the grapes over here, where we can see 2. The same machine you can see right there is going to crush the grape to extract the must, which is the unprocessed grapes we stored some time ago. In this room, we are going to see some huge barrels, which are called toneles.
Okay. I have video to send to your family if you don't make it out. Oh, you do make it!
There we go. Very red, of course. Now we close the door.
There you go.
It's like it's giving birth to me.
That's how alcoholics are born.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, whoa, watch your.
There we go.
You sure you don't want to buy some land and start a winery? Just.
Separated, okay, the juice from the skins and the seeds, okay?
These are brick though.
Grab it by the stem or the base, okay? Because this is of the winery and the house finished, okay? It started in 1870. Why did it take so long? Because the last name is very popular here in Argentina, okay? Especially in Argentina and in Cuba. Why is that? Ernesto Guevara was the groom in that photo, in that picture. Honestly, he doesn't look to me like a chip, but they say it is. Or the wine. I know the temptation is big, you guys. Come on, help me here.
Oh, it's truck olive farm.
Factory.
Factory.
Trees. So for this reason they grow up horizontally. You can see the way of they way up. No?
La base, c'est-à-dire faire des dégustations au pied d'olive.
Putting the olive in salt and after 5 months and after under sun 10 days. Here please put the stone and here we have the olives oil.